Punching systems of solar channel roll forming lines. Roll forming machines for solar mounting structures support a variety of hole types, each tailored for specific installation needs. Round holes, standard for bolt and fastener insertion. Oval slotted holes, allow positional adjustment during installation to accommodate misalignment. In roll forming lines for solar structures, the type of punch is selected depending on the speed, accuracy, and application of production. The following describes the features and application of each in the operating lines. Hydraulic punch. Operating mechanism. Uses a cylinder and pressurized oil system to apply uniform and adjustable force. Advantages. Consistent pressure throughout the entire stroke. Produces a clean punch without unwanted cuts or bump. Suitable for high thickness and hard metals. Capable of high power punching with high force. High precision and smooth controllability. Suitable for sensitive and precise holes in engineered profiles. Less noise pollution and longer mold life. Smooth structure and oil passage reduce wear. Disadvantages. Relatively slower speed than a mechanical punch. Higher cost and maintenance due to the need for a hydraulic system. Mechanical punch. Operating mechanism. Using mechanical actuation such as a crank, gear, or turret system, molds are created on the body part. Advantages. Higher speed. Typically up to 70-90 bpm and above, very suitable for high volume production. Mold diversity. Using a turret system with multiple removable molds without the need to stop the line. Lower maintenance cost and simpler structure. It is more economical than the hydraulic system. Disadvantages. Unbalanced pressure. The main pressure is applied at the end of the stroke, which may not be suitable for precise holes. Less precision in delicate drilling. May produce slight distortion or unsightly edges compared to hydraulic. Mechanical punch in strut channel line. Strut channel lines often use a mechanical punch or turret press. Some models, such as the Unistrut, are equipped with a mechanical preforming punch that creates the holes while feeding the flat sheet. The speed of this method is usually around 16-40 min depending on the model and number of punch stations. Advantages. High moldability and variety of hole shape. Easier maintenance and lower cost than hydraulic system. If you are looking for roll-forming lines with precise punching capabilities and high speed for the production of solar or industrial channels, LOTOSFORMING is a powerful option with its advanced hydraulic and mechanical technologies and product diversity.